Assuming you're searching for LDO cost expectations conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of LDO, LDO, will explicitly go from here on out. We will in a real sense dissect the previous costs of LDO, LDO, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly in every practical sense, remember that you want to take this expectation, and each essentially other forecast with the aim that this generally is just the idea of some market master examiners in a significant way, not to basically make reference to anticipating something so amazing truly is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should essentially begin in an unpretentious manner. LDO past value examination as per the sort of the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of LDO explicitly is $1.48, and LDO is as of now position number 32 in the really whole crypto environment, or so they thought. The flow supply of LDO truly is 889,848,359 with a market cap of $1,315,748,683. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been essentially diminished by 0.82% in its ongoing worth amazingly. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the LDO with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. LDO especially is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The LDO is down to nearly 3.61% in the very most recent 7 days. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for exceptionally at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of LDO diminished by 42.954%. Wiping out an incredible normal amount of $1.11 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent essentially purchase and open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is near 41.67%. And the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $2.25 to essentially greatest normal cost of $2.59 in the very beyond 90 days. In truly most recent 4 months, LDO in a real sense has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of LDO basically is expanded from 4 months in a sort of enormous manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its value, which is very critical. The coin is up by 6.81%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin, for the most part was around $1.10, and the base typical value of was around 97 cents in beyond 4 months, which explicitly is very critical. We in every practical sense anticipate future LDO cost expectations LDO conjecture, by applying all things considered, profound genuinely man-made reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of LDO amazingly. We give our altogether fundamentally greatest verifiable information for the LDO coin, which essentially incorporate really different boundaries like past value, LDO market cap, LDO volume, and scarcely any more in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are looking to especially put resources into computerized digital currencies, and for the most part need great profit from actually your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations in a significant manner explicitly. LDO value expectation 2023 LDO cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal certainly conceivable degree of $2.16 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the LDO cost could by and large arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2.39, with the typical gauge cost of $2.25, which is genuinely huge, which is very huge. LDO value expectation 2024, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of LDO in 2024, the cost of LDO is determined to fundamentally be at around a base worth of $3.28. The LDO value worth can really arrive at an especially limit of $3.80, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.37 in United States dollars. LDO value conjecture for 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of LDO is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $4.76. The LDO cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $5.67, with the typical worth of $4.89 in an unobtrusive manner. LDO value expectation 2026. The cost of one LDO explicitly is supposed to reach at a very least degree of $6.84 in 2026. The LDO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $8.47, with the typical cost of $7.04, all through 2026. LDO value expectation 2027. LDO cost is estimate to, in every practical sense, arrive at an in a real sense, the most minimal conceivable degree of $10.14 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the LDO cost could, in a real sense, arrive at a sort of greatest conceivable degree of $12.30, with the typical estimate cost of $10.43. LDO value forecast 2028. The cost of LDO is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at the very least degree of $14.44 in 2028, in an especially enormous manner. The LDO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $17.61, with the, in every practical sense, normal cost of $14.86 all through 2028. As opposed to prevalent thinking, LDO value expectation 2029. The cost of LDO in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $20.22 in 2029. The LDO cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $24.51, with the typical exchanging cost of $20.96 all through 2029, or so they sort of thought. LDO value conjecture 2030. As per our very profound specialized examination on lovely past value information of LDO, in 2030, the cost of LDO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $28.46. The LDO cost can fundamentally arrive at a most extreme degree of $35.34, with the typical exchanging cost of $29.30, which certainly is very critical, or so they thought. LDO value expectation 2031. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of LDO is anticipated to explicitly reach at the very least degree of $42.23. The LDO cost can especially arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $48.66, with the typical